Dart, created by Google, was first unveiled in 2011. Originally designed as a replacement for JavaScript, it evolved into a powerful language in its own right. Dart is an open source programming language, which means developers worldwide contribute to its growth and enhancement. So, what makes Dart great? Well, it's fast. Thanks to just in time compilation and ahead of time compilation, it delivers exceptional performance for both web and mobile applications. Dart is also all about productivity. Its clean and easy to read syntax reduces boilerplate code, making development faster and more enjoyable. Plus, it supports hot reload, allowing you to see changes instantly without restarting your app. You might wonder, what can I build with Dart? The answer is a lot. Dart is the language behind Flutter, a powerful UI toolkit for crafting stunning cross platform, mobile, and web applications. But it doesn't stop there. You can build all sorts of tools, including command line interfaces, backend servers, and more with Dart. Ready to dive in? Getting started with Dart is a breeze. First, head over to the official Dart website. There, you'll find comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and supportive community to help you along the way. Once you're familiar with the basics, exploring Flutter might be the next step. With Flutter, you can build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. And that's it. You've learned about the history, strengths, applications, and how to get started with Dart, so why wait? Embrace the power of Dart and start building your next big idea today.